Number 5. The CRH-380A Hexi is a Chinese electric high-speed train that was developed by CSR Corporation Limited. CRH-380A is designed to operate at a cruise speed of 350 km per hour or 217 miles per hour and a maximum speed of 380 km per hour or 236 miles per hour in commercial service. Number 4. Haemu 430X is a South Korean high-speed train intended for a maximum speed of 430 km per hour or 267 miles per hour. On March 31, 2013, it achieved 421.4 km per hour in a test run, making South Korea the world's fourth country after France, Japan and China. High-speed train running above 420 km per hour and the highest ever demonstrated by trains in Korea. Number 3. TGV POS train set number 4402 set a new world speed record for travel on conventional rails. The train reached 574.8 km per hour or 357.2 miles per hour. It was in 2007 that the train set the record of 357 miles per hour. French rail company SNCF operated the train and is used on the LGV route. This is a route between Paris, eastern France and South Germany. The train's length is around 200 meters and replaced the model of TGV Sud-Est. Number 2. Shanghai, China's financial hub, is the only Chinese city operating a commercial high-speed maglev line, with a top speed of 600 km per hour. China's self-developed and the world's fastest maglev transportation system with a speed of 600 km per hour rolled off the assembly line on. The maglev train can fill the gap between the current high-speed train that runs at around 350 km per hour and airplanes with a speed of 800 km per hour, which will support China's comprehensive transportation network planned by 2035, analysts noted. The maglev train is currently the fastest available ground vehicle. It is the fastest method of surface transportation within the range of 1,500 kilometers, according to a report by the CRRC sent to the Global Times on Tuesday. Number 1. This is a Japanese train. L0 Series is a high-speed maglev train that the Central Japan Railway Company, Junior Central, is developing and testing. Junior Central plans to use the L0 Series on the Chuo Shinkansen railway line between Tokyo and Osaka, which is under construction. The L0 Series uses the Japanese-designed SC maglev system. Around 299 meters. It has 12 operational cars. The trains would make a trip from Tokyo's Shinagawa station to Osaka in 1 hour and 7 minutes as per estimations. The L0 technology is called maglev or magnetic levitation train. The train levitates at speeds exceeding 93 miles per hour.
Này 2 tầng.